Okay guys, today we're gonna going down to my horses to trim them. Let's go. Go slow because it's wet from the hurricane slash flood. So we're gonna go to, we are gonna trim my horse's feet. Let's go to it. I just gotta go find my horses and go do it, okay? But I gotta walk all the way out here because I need to. There's not really like a reason, but just because I want to. I guess that's a reason. I guess. But what we're gonna be doing, walking down to my horses. Why am I walking down and not calling them to me? It's so stupid. Water. But I just yawned because I'm getting, that's water. Oh my God. I guess I'm cleaning my feet instead of the horses, but I guess you could hear, if I be quiet for a second, you can hear the water. Yep, the water now. Alright, it's still a little flooded here, but that's okay. I'm getting Nash because baby doesn't like me doing her feet. I got this little picker in my hand. And I'm gonna pick it with this little picker. Got this little picker right there. Got that little picker to pick Nash's feet. Come here, bub. Come here, bub. Come here. Come here, bub. Getting the stuff out of Nash's hoof. Scraping it all out. We are getting the stuff out of Nash's foot. Nash, stop. Gonna brush Nash's hair. Got this brush and brushing Nash's hair. Stop eating a carrot. Look at all the hair on the floor.